Welcome back to Prognosis EMR. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Merging Patient Charts feature to eliminate duplicate patient records and ensure data accuracy across the system. The Merge Into feature allows Prognosis users to seamlessly combine one patient's data with another active patient's record. This option is accessible through the Merge Into button on the patient registration screen. This button is enabled only for admin users or those assigned the Replace Patient role in the User Roles master screen. The Merge Into button is disabled for users who do not have the Replace Patient role. Hovering over the button displays a tooltip. You do not have access to merge patients. Please check with the clinic administrator. If there are no matching patient records for the selected patient, clicking the Merge Into button displays a pop-up message. No other patient match found for this patient. If the selected patient has an open encounter, the Merge Into button will be disabled. Hovering over it shows, Merge not available as patient has open encounters. Prognosis also includes a built-in safeguard to prevent duplicate patient creation. When a new patient's information is entered and the Save button is clicked, the system checks for existing records using the first name, last name, date of birth, and sex fields. If a potential duplicate is found, an alert pop-up notifies the user. The user can choose to cancel and revise the entry or proceed by clicking OK to save the record. If a duplicate is saved, it can later be resolved using the Merge Into feature. To merge patient charts, first identify the duplicate patient records. Let's refer to this as Record A. Click the Merge Into button for this record. A patient list pop-up appears, showing all active patients with the same first name, last name, date of birth, and sex, eligible for merging with Record A. Select the patient record to merge with. We'll call this Record B. An alert displays both patients' first and last names, chart numbers, and addresses. It also informs the user that Record A will be marked inactive and highlights data that will not be merged, including the preferred pharmacy, vaccination records, and so on. Click OK to proceed with the merge, or cancel to abort. If OK is clicked, Record A is merged into Record B. A Merge Successful message appears for Record B, and Record B remains active. If Record B already has values for SSN, account number and external ID, they are retained. If not, values from Record A are carried over to Record B, and those fields in Record A are cleared. For Record B, the patient registration history pop-up shows both the inactive and active patient's details before merging. Clicking the patient alert icon for Record B displays the merged patient details on the alerts pop-up. After merging, Record A becomes inactive. Its status on the patient registration screen displays, merged, in red and bold. All fields, icons, and buttons on the screen are disabled, except for the History button. For Record A, the history indicates that it was merged into Record B. Please note that the record on which the Merge Into button is clicked will become inactive. Ensure you select the correct patient before proceeding with the merge. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bizmaticsinc.com.